Being an install partner, you're tied tightly with Power. It's life-altering, it's life-changing. If you put the work in, they're gonna take care of you. Power definitely laid out the steps and really the foundation. There's a sense of, wow, it's cool, I'm a business owner. But at the same time, they provide the windows, they provide the jobs, they provide the materials. Power definitely provides everything you need. I just have to install, that's it. They have a huge support system. You build the knowledge, you build experience, and my number one thing is they keep me busy. That's the name of the game. When I first started with Power, I literally knew nothing about home renovations. Little by little, got better and better, and now I do installs every day, and I might add, I'm pretty damn good at them. I learned it all through Power. They just make it very easy for you. Power is definitely loyal to me and is reciprocated.